ever tried green peas in a yogurt based curry? Have you tried it? Have you tasted it? Have you enjoyed it? If not, let's see the whole video right now at Josh Moses kitchen. Let's make this green peas or Matar Curry together. Let's start getting the ingredients. Green peas 1 cup. Add water to soak for 8 hours. Drain all the water. Set it on a pressure cooker. Add just enough water. Add on a high heat 1 whistle and 2 whistles on a low heat. Turn off the heat. Open the lid and leave it aside. Let's make a spice mix. Onto a skillet. It should be dry. A very small piece of cinnamon stick. 4 pieces of cloves. Black peppercorn 1 tablespoon. Cumin seed ½ teaspoon. Fennel seed 1 teaspoon. And dry roast until the fragrance are out. Transfer to a blender, pull it down and blend into a fine powder and set aside. On a different skillet, add oil, thinly sliced onions and saute until it's dark brown in color. When it's dark, strain all the oil by keeping like this because we need that oil. Transfer the onions to a blender. Add chilies, cilantros, yogurt and blend into a fine paste and set aside. Onto the same oil, add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The recipe is there in my channel. And saute until golden and fragrance are coming out. Add the paste to the golden ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder ½ tablespoon. Combine well. And the spice mix we made, add to the gravy and give a quick stir. Let's cook until the spices are cooked and oil is coming out. Add just enough salt to taste. Add some water. And give a quick mix. You can see the oil is coming out. Add the boiled peas and combine. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and combine well. Turn off the heat. Add some chopped cilantro and enjoy. Let's try the green peas. I have the bread, the common style. Please visit my channel to see how to make that bread. Let's try with the green peas. Nice, creamy, and a lot of flavors are there. Just enough spice. A thoroughly beautiful combination for rotis, chapatis, parathas. And when you eat, how you eat? It's my way, Joss Moses kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. And if you like this recipe, please try it, share it, comment it, and support me by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen, back with a new beautiful recipe. Bye.